Okay, so I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing of my weekly farmer's market delivery bag that I get in town. This gets delivered right to my door. I spend $45 a week and I get to choose whatever's in the box, bag, whatever. So I always get eggs. Silk wants to join. You want to help me? I don't remember what I ordered, so that's important to note. Okay, first it. Strawberries. So, strawberries. Beautiful. Big old bag of mixed greens. Gorgeous. We got shishito peppers. Oh, I have one of those like purpley ones. So, 3 fat beets. Silk! 3 fat beets. 3 huge sweet potatoes. Kyle's favorite. Scallywags. Green onions. Celery for my celery juice. Probably should have gotten 2 bundles. Broccoli. 2 fatties. 2 huge red onions. One I'm gonna pickle, the other I don't know, have a plan for yet. And last but not least, baby watermelon. Let me show you. Here's our whole lot. The whole lot. It's my silverware, excuse me. I don't know why I didn't try to reverse the camera, but that's it. Really messy unboxing. Maybe I'll do a better one next week.